What is happening with crypto right now? The market is red, and Pepe Coin holders, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Pepe today. Share with you guys exactly what's happening. This is going to be something as we look into a lot of sell-offs as we start off the week. What's going on with the crypto market right now? We are just 7 days away from potentially one of the bigger catalysts I see in 2025. Also, we have a storyline where Bitcoin had touched 90,000 before getting bought up. Now Bitcoin at the time of current recording is bouncing back at around 92,000. And that's kind of what we're seeing it right now on the charts, 91.6. Depending on where you find it, down 3.3% on the day. I'm going to share with you guys what's going on with Pepe right now. Pepe is down 7.9%. We're getting hit pretty hard. It's been a bad week, 22.3% down into the red. I'm going to share with you guys what's going on, and the whales are taking notice, okay? But before we get into it, a couple things of business. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. Also, feel free to give me a follow on X at tcryptomark. And also, please remember, guys, not financial advice. Everything we talk about here on the channel is just my thoughts involving crypto market. Always do your own research and due diligence, okay? But here we are on the charts, 401638. What's happening with Pepe right now? We have had an outstanding year, but still, this is something where we're just halfway, a little bit over halfway from where we were at the 402748 line. So we're going to continue to monitor Pepe right now on the charts. But let's get into it right now because they are in the spotlight, and hopefully this shares a little bit of positivity on a day where there really, quite frankly, is only red to be talking about. So here's where whale accumulation is starting, okay? This is kind of where we're seeing a lot of attractive price levels for crypto traders, 287 million combined in crypto liquidations. And the whales are buying the dip, okay? We're going to look at the data from Spot on Chain. At least 2 Pepe whales have made huge purchases in the last 24 hours, right? We always talk about being ahead of the curve and being first. Well, now Pepe whales are doing that, and that's kind of where we're seeing these wallets withdrawing and then also accumulating Jasmy in terms of that. Also, this other whale buying 3.72 million USDC, 200.4 billion Pepe just a little bit ago. And this was back on today where we look at the data from Spot on Chain. So that's kind of where we lose a lot of the capital being liquidated. However, whales are taking notice and scooping up some Pepe at discounted trading. And that's kind of what we're looking at, right? It's very easy to bet on Pepe. I agree with this, considering the current price of the meme coin. This is where we're down substantially over the last 24 hours. And this is the lowest level that we've recorded in the past week. This is where we're over 20% into a loss over the last week. Also, Pepe within its drawdown is ranking as one of the worst performers in the top 100. However, this does increase the odds of reverting back to the support and getting back up to that floor that we saw Pepe trading at, okay? Also, within these large meme coins, Pepe is arguably one of the most favored by whales. This is kind of where we closely correlate with Ethereum. Ethereum was trading at 3,000 just a little bit ago. That's absolutely crazy. But we saw Pepe inflow around 4,500%, a little bit under that in just a single day. So within that, guys, this is where we're set up for a large opportunity. If you do believe in Pepe having a rebound, this is kind of where we look at the value right now at a discount where whales and some retail traders that aren't going to get the headlines or the kind of spotlight here on this red day, but they are buying the dip. And this is kind of where you look at the RSI at 38. It is very much a oversold category when we talk about the RSI lying within Pepe. Also, this is something where you have to look into the overall narrative, right? Pepe has a trading volume of almost $1 billion. So there's a lot of liquidity, there's a lot of whales, and there's a lot of things that can keep Pepe afloat during this period of volatility and where we see these large sell-offs happening across the market. This is something that I think we can weather, okay? This isn't the end-all, be-all. This isn't going to be like, oh my gosh, everyone's selling their Pepe, let's get out, it's going to zero. This is just another red day. I know it is a bad week, but let's find the silver lining in it all, right? Big crypto traders are buying Pepe, and that's basically the update for today, okay? So in a week where we've seen a lot of volatility, a lot of red, a lot of selling, a lot of liquidations, there's got to be a silver lining. I'm not running for the hills. I'm not selling all my Pepe. I did buy some Pepe last week, and that's kind of where we're at today. All right, so we have enough liquidity, like I talked about. We have enough steam within kind of what's coming in crypto 2025, I think, to weather the storm. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but I still remain bullish on Pepe despite all of these liquidations and outflows that we've been seeing. The whales are betting big. The big crypto traders are trading Pepe, but this is something where you look into the levels that we're at right now, not just Pepe, but within the overall market, there is a lot of opportunities to buy the dips, and that's kind of where we stand today. So if you want daily crypto news and information, including Pepe, every single day right here on the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before leaving this video. Also, be sure to give me a follow on X. I appreciate you guys all tuning in. Make sure that you guys all kind of stay vigilant during this process, because it's going to be rough and rocky, but with what we have coming in 2025, I still remain bullish, and I wanted to share with you guys how I feel about Pepe Coin on the day. So with that, I'll leave you. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.